Alright, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I got me some new hair. I got me some new skin and some new hair. Who is she? Welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel if you are already subscribed. I'm not even going to ask y'all to subscribe just yet, but I will ask you to comment pound dope down below in the comments. Now, I want to thank Allove Hair for sending me this unit. All the details, descriptions, specifics, technicalities is going to be in the description down below. Y'all already know this. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and show y'all how this hair came packaged to me, what else came in the package, and the process of me putting this on. I have my wig on. I have not actually put any adhesive on or anything like that. And from the looks of it, I actually don't know if I'm going to put it everywhere because it is laying so flat and firm right now. I don't feel like I'm going to have to, at least in the front. Now on the sides, just so that it doesn't slip or anything, I will be putting some on the side. Probably like a little bit of Got To Be or a little bit of Ghost Bond glue, just a tinge like on my skin. So this pretty much already has like some type of an outline to the front, like to the hairline portion of this wig, which is super helpful because if y'all know me, y'all know I do not know how to do that outline with baby hairs and all that stuff really good. To help control this hair, I am going to go ahead and pull out the baby hairs of this wig. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get something out of my comb. I'm going to go ahead and pull these out. You can pretty much tell where they are for the most part, and I'm going to clip the rest of it back just because it is so much poofy hair. I combed it out, by the way, just to help with when I do try to comb it out, so y'all can see the outline. Okay, I have some Vigorol mousse here. This is alcohol free. I have learned from the very popular, very talented Erica J that the alcohol free mousse is the best to use. I've always been using this, but I really didn't know that this is actually best to use when you want to lay down baby hairs, just so it doesn't eat away at the glue. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this on this hair right here, because y'all, this is really a lot of hair to try to maintain for a person that is not super experienced with wigs, like in doing the wigs well, I want to say, because anybody can be experienced in wigs, but everybody don't know how to lay a wig down well. We already know the basics of laying a wig down. Come on now, we done seen so many videos these days, it's like a lot. I'm gonna spray a little bit of water. Ugh. Not too much because I do not want to actually wet my own hair. There's actually a clip at the top that I'm maneuvering and messing with to try to keep it down. I normally cut all my clips out, but today I decided to be a little different so I don't have to put so much glue and stuff, you know. I think I'm gonna go safe and use the Ghost Bond glue just because I feel like more comfortable with this because it dries a lot faster than the Got To Be. Plus I ran out of freeze spray, so I'm not trying to like do it. I know I can do this with one step, and that's the only product that I need. Blow dryer is right there. By the way, I sprayed my edges back and blow dried them with some holding spray, Tresemme to be exact. This holding spray is, I'm gonna just show y'all. That's the one that I use. Where are my popsicle sticks? As you can see, it is already drying clear, which is a good thing. I didn't put too much on. It probably could be a little bit thinner going into the hair, but it's okay. It's not going to take much to take it off. Just a little bit of alcohol and an old washcloth, and I'll be good. I'm only going to do 2 layers because I don't need to put a whole lot up here. I just did an extreme exfoliation of my skin, so I don't want to put too much on it that I'm going to have to rub off. Just would not be smart by any means. So I'm going to let that soak in for a little bit more and then pull this down. I can actually pull it down now because it's clear. It dried pretty quickly, and I'm going to use my scarf. I see everybody now laying their scarves down to actually help place the wig still and keep it in place while they're actually styling their hair. So I'm going to try that today. I haven't done a wig in a really long time, you guys, so patience is everything. Alright, so I know y'all see all these crazy baby hairs looking ridiculous. So my hair, the hair is not dry, but for the most part it's getting there. It's not soaking wet like it was before. So I'm gonna take this scarf off and make sure that I have this hair back, because that is going to cause issues if it's not. Hopefully this doesn't stick good. I normally would use like the black wrapping paper, but I do not have any at the moment. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. I think that would be really beneficial before I even try to lay the baby hairs down. That just really don't make no sense to me. I'm just now thinking about that. I've also seen people cut the lace in like 3 different pieces. I think that's helpful as well, especially to someone that is still in the beginning stages of even knowing how to do this stuff. Whew, the stressful part is over, because honey, I be stressed out when I gotta cut that hair. Do y'all hear me? I mean, when I gotta cut that lace off, that is stressful. I feel like my eyes have like gone cross-eyed or something. Hey guys, what's going on? So it is actually Thursday today. I started filming this video yesterday. So when I was filming, I was a little struggling for time and trying to get to work. So I just ended up going to work with this wig on. And I think that was a good choice because I actually got to see how the hair would last throughout the day. Especially in the conditions that I work in, as far as being behind a steamer and all of that. I love this hair. Now, it is not on all the way. I took it off last night. and I put it back on. It's not on either side, but I feel like if I was to put it down like on some semi-permanent type stuff, I think it will look really well. I feel like I could pluck a little bit more of the hairline, but that's about it. As far as the curls, as far as the way the hair feels, I only have put that little bit of mousse on my hair and some water. I have not put anything on the hair. And I took out that top clip. It was hurting my head, so I took that out. But as far as to keep this wig down, you guys, I still have the 2 side clips in and then the clip in the back, which is just going to keep it right in place. And I just snuggled these right into my braids, which were perfect. This length of this hair is a really good length, especially with it being curly, wavy. It's not too long, and I don't feel like it's too short, because sometimes I feel like some weaves on, like styles on me, I would not be able to pull off like a shoulder length curly hairstyle. Like, I don't know if I would be able to pull that off. This is really nice. Y'all already know that all the details on this hair are going to be down below in the description. It's going to be, of course, a coupon code down there, so make sure y'all pay attention to it. Everything clear in the description. I want to thank Allove Hair for sending me this unit. Honey, your girl is back and popping. I went to work yesterday and everybody was like, you change your hair like every day. I'm like, yeah, I know. I've heard that since forever. This was definitely a great comeback, I feel like, for me. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments down below, how y'all feel about this unit. Do you feel like I could do a little bit better with the baby hairs? Because I know I do. I know I can do better. It's just really with this stuff, practice makes perfect, which is okay with me. I'm going to be practicing some more as the part 2. I feel like that could be a little bit better on my behalf, but I did put some foundation right there. Oh, I do want to tell y'all as well, I did put some foundation like on the lace, like in the front, so it can match better with my complexion. So I just put some mousse on these baby hairs to try to lay them down. Oh, good grief. So it is kind of sticking to where I did have the hair laying down originally with the lace. This side looks great. It's always like that though. One side always looks better than the other side when it comes to me and these units. I don't know why. So I think my part is getting a little crooked. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was quick, simple, and straight to the point, which I'm going to try to keep my videos from now on. I know I can lead on and be going left with my conversations, but this hair is nice, honey. And it's versatile because I can put some gel on it and have it looking super wet and wavy, or I can have it looking poofy, frizzy, just the way I like my own natural hair. So, bye you guys.